Why nature matters. Nature plays a crucial role in sustaining life. Forests clean the air, oceans regulate climate, and soil grow our food. A healthy natural environment ensures clean water, breathable air, and resources for generations. Preserving nature is preserving life itself. Ecosystem explained. Ecosystems are communities where living organisms interact with each other and their surroundings. Forests, deserts, wetlands, and coral reefs are just a few examples. Each ecosystem is a complex web that relies on balance. When one part is disturbed, the entire system can be affected. Ocean and marine life. Oceans cover over 17% of the Earth's surface and play a central role in regulating temperature and supporting life. They are home to millions of species and provide food and jobs for billions. Pollution and overfishing put immense pressure on these fragile ecosystems. Wildlife and biodiversity. Biodiversity refers to the variety of life on Earth, from tiny insects to large mammals. Each species contributes to the health of the planet. Protecting wildlife is essential not just for animals, but for humans who depend on balanced ecosystems for survival. Human impact on nature. Industrialization, pollution, habitat destruction, and climate change are results of human activity that harm nature. While progress brings comfort, it also poses threat to the environment. Our choice, what we consume, how we travel, what we protect matter greatly. Conservation efforts. Around the world, governments, organizations, and individuals are working to conserve nature, protect area wildlife sanctuaries, sustainable farming, and environmental education are some efforts helping preserve Earth's resources and biodiversity. How you can help? Everyone can contribute to preserving nature. Simple actions like recycling, conserving water, planting trees, using less plastic, and supporting eco-friendly brands make a difference. Raising awareness and encouraging others multiply the impact. Conclusion. In conclusion, the beauty of nature, grief, peace, happiness, and a healthy environment for all living things. Natural landscapes such as forests, mountains, rivers, and oceans make the earth more beautiful and enjoyable. Therefore, we shall appreciate and protect nature to preserve its beauty for future generations.